Tired of climbing in and out of your Jeep Wrangler JL like you're scaling a mountain? Whether you're rocking a lift kit or just tired of dragging yourself up every time, a solid set of running boards can make your ride way more convenient and look damn good while doing it. From extra grip in rain and snow to added protection when you're off-roadin', these bad boys do it all. Today, we're counting down the best running boards for Jeep Wrangler JL 4 doors, from budget-friendly brawlers to high-tech step systems. And hey, if one of these catches your eye, all the links are chillin' in the video description. Let's roll. Kicking things off at number 7, we've got the TAC side steps. These are the no-fuss, just tough kind of boards. OE quality with a strong bolt-on install and a sweet 3-year warranty. They fit your 2018 to 2025 Wrangler JL 4-door like a glove and give you that boost without breaking the bank. Super simple, super solid. If you're just looking to hop in and out easier without all the bells and whistles, TAC delivers. Rolling in at number 6 is the Rough Country Power Running Boards, and let me tell you, these steps are slick. They deploy automatically when you open the door, with dual motors and built-in LED lights that make nighttime entry safer and way cooler. Got a lifted rig? These drop down low, but tuck away flush when not in use. Plus, the aluminum build handles up to 660 pounds per side. It's got safety sensors and a manual override switch in case things go sideways. These are pure tech luxury for your rugged ride. Number 5, the Tyger Auto Tyger Access steps are all about value and strength. You get heavy-duty 2-inch carbon steel tubing with a textured black finish to fight rust, and they're built to hold up to 500 pounds. These steps keep things clean and classic, no frills but definitely not flimsy. They bolt on quick, 20 minutes and you're good to go. For budget-conscious Jeepers who still want solid footing, this one's a solid pick. At number 4 is the SmittyBilt SRC Side Armor Steps, and these ain't just steps, they're battle armor. Built from 1.75-inch tubing with a wall thickness of 0.120 inches, these things are tough as nails. Perfect for folks who actually take their Wranglers off-road and need real rocker protection. The girder-style one-piece build stretches wheel to wheel, offering serious shielding while still giving you a sturdy step up. Easy bolt-on, no drilling, all muscle. Coming in at number 3 is the Hooke Road drop steps. These are a real crowd pleaser for style and function. You've got that off-road vibe with hollowed-out star logos, plus a 6.2-inch drop for easy entry, even if you've got a lift. Built from thick steel tubing and 11-gauge plate, they're tough but not overkill. Finished with a textured black coat inside and out, they'll fight corrosion like a champ. Easy install and lifetime support, not bad at all. At number 2, the OEDRO drop steps come in with a sleek silver finish and some smart design. These bad boys have a 3.5-inch drop and laser-cut anti-slip plates, so you're not sliding off in the rain. Plus, they're customizable. Paint the plates if you want to match your rig's vibe. Welded brackets add to the strength, and it'll take up to 450 pounds without a hitch. Clean lines, no drilling, and solid side protection. OEDRO blends form and function just right. And finally, the top dog, Tyger AutoStar Armor, takes the number 1 spot. This one's for the serious off-road junkie who needs rock-solid protection and killer looks. The patented tri-tube design with dual girders gives you full underside protection, while the star pattern step pads give it some swagger. With a 500-pound capacity per side, rust-fighting E-coat, and pre-welded brackets, this setup installs quick and hits hard. If you're hitting the trails or just want a Jeep that looks like it's ready for war, Star Armor's got your back. There you have it, folks. 7 solid options for upgrading your Wrangler JL 4-door with running boards that pull their weight. Whether you're after high-tech power steps, hardcore trail armor, or just something to make getting in and out easier, there's a board on this list for you. Remember, all the product links are hanging out in the video description below, so you don't need to go hunting. Hit that subscribe button for more Jeep gear reviews, and we'll catch you next time on the trail.